Quay Quarter Sydney, developed by AMP Capital, is a $2.1 billion transformation of 2 city blocks in Sydney's Circular Quay, acting as a catalyst for further urban renewal and transformation in this iconic location. Set over 11,100 square metres, Quay Quarter Sydney comprises of 2 precincts. Quay Quarter Lanes, the redevelopment of a city block from old office buildings and Service Lane into a thriving new city neighbourhood with 2 restored heritage buildings and 3 residential buildings, 2,600 square metres of boutique commercial offices and 3,600 square metres of ground plane retail, new urban domain and a $6 million public art program with arcades and laneways. Quay Quarter Tower represents a global exemplar of a more sustainable construction model rooted in the retention and reuse of existing assets. Testament to the success of the project, all architects have won awards for design, heritage conservation and urban planning. Quay Quarter Sydney has been acknowledged and awarded by the jury for its risk appetite and visionary approach to retain and upcycle an existing 50-year-old commercial tower, resulting in innovative structural reuse and construction methodology techniques. Leading environmental performance in the delivery of Quay Quarter Tower as a result of the successful implementation of its sustainability strategy, the vibrant revitalisation of what was a tired, disused precinct that has acted as a catalyst for further transformation in this iconic location, including the creation of new public places such as arcades, through site links and a landscape podium for locals and visitors, all complemented by a $6 million public art program with 2 renowned artists and the partnerships with local cultural bodies to deliver customer experience in the new precinct.